hate this. Hey, Danny, it's Becky. I'm calling because I have the flu and I had a fever last night, and I had a horrible nightmare about you that someone was trying to kill you, so I need to warn you. And she was some kind of matriarch of a way back in the hills, big family, and they were trying to give you poisoned muffins, and they put some kind of caustic coating all over your stuff. They broke into your house. And it was really weird, but I don't know why they were trying to kill you. But I felt like in the dream that I had to help you, and so I went up there, and the mother was really mean, and the kids were just following her directions. But I was struggling, fighting with her, and I flipped her over a bridge into a river, a really dirty river. But she crawled back up and then tried to kill me. And I felt like I had to tell you that. I don't know why. So be careful. Don't eat any muffins. Okay, bye.
My Aunt Becky.